been a couple weeks since I've been out to work on my trailer, and it rained quite a bit, and rust. I'll show you. Yep. So it's just surface rust, but it's kind of a pain. So I'm going to try the rust converter again and paint the whole trailer, see how it goes. It worked good on the suspension, so here's hoping. The rust protector is on everything, and I think it looks pretty good. The axle's all done as well, and you can kind of see on the discs where I haven't done it. Obviously I can't on the discs, but yeah, it's good. Oh, so that's all done, and the great thing about this is it kind of seals it up, stops it from deteriorating anymore for the rest of the project. You know, being outside, it's open to the elements, so this is, I think it's going to be a really good thing to do. Maybe a good tip if you're doing something similar. So I got some steel, got some nice galvanized what is it? It is 50 by 25, as well as some 25 by 25 non-galled. And it's really probably time to extend frames, so I'm going to be welding up here. Going to grind away some of this muck first, and you're going to be welding, extending the frame. Remember these things? Going to be putting them into the frame back as they were, but now as like structurally part of the frame. So I'm going to have to clean these up